Oh,
Nice to see you. How are you today?
I'm okay, and you?
Really good. Thank you for asking. And how was your day today? Can you please tell me what did you do today?
It was okay. Nothing special. I
Mhm.
went to school today.
And what else did you do today? Can you please tell me? What other things did you do today?
And I learned more, and I'm read books only then.
Okay, very nice. And what will you do tomorrow? Do you have any plans for tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will go to school and maybe play badminton with my friends.
Play badminton. Okay, very nice. And what other things? For example, would you like to do tomorrow? What other things, for example, are your favorite to do for you tomorrow?
I like to play badminton tomorrow.
And what other things do you like to play?
And I like to play kick a shuttlecock too.
Yes, but that is badminton. But what other sports do you like to play? Okay, so everything that you mentioned, that is badminton. Okay, so can you please tell me what other things would you like to do with your friends? What other things would you like to do it?
I like to play chess or read books with my friends.
Because why? Because
Very interesting and good for us.
Okay, so this is something that is really interesting and good for you. Okay, and when was the last time that you played badminton? Can you please tell me when was the last time that you played badminton?
For the last time, I played it maybe today.
Today, very nice. With whom? With whom did you play?
With my friends.
With your friends. Okay. Now we will okay start. We will do another review. Okay. Now I will share my screen. Now can you please tell me? Can you see my screen?
Yes, I see a screen.
Okay. So can you please tell me what can you see here in this picture? What can you see it?
I can see a girl is in a space shuttle or space station with the space suit.
Okay, so she's wearing a spacesuit. Okay, very nice. And what do you think? What do you think about people who are wearing a spacesuit? Are they brave? So, what is your opinion about people who are wearing a spacesuit? Just one moment.
They are astronauts and their bones maybe is very weak.
Okay, and what do you think about this job? What is your opinion about being an astronaut? So, what is your opinion when you are speaking about this job? So, what do you think about this job?
I think it's very dangerous because it's damaged for our bones.
Okay, so and what? Okay, what is dangerous if you are doing this job? So what is something that can be dangerous in this job? Okay, so what can be dangerous for people to do this job?
It makes our bones weak.
And how?
And maybe because in space we once influenced by the quake in the earth. It's will don't it doesn't have work and the bones once working and it's will lazy.
Okay, and what else can be dangerous if you are in space? What other things, for example, can be dangerous if you are in space?
Maybe it's I will have strength strength sick strength sick.
And why do you think so? Why?
Because in space maybe have some virus that people can destroy it now.
Okay, very nice. And about when we are speaking about some other jobs, what other jobs, in your opinion, are also very dangerous? So, what other jobs can be really dangerous in your opinion?
Drugs Fruit dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it is uh, hmm, it is um, it is the job that the person needs to so plant so the 30
Mm-hmm.
300 meters high to change the light
Mm-hmm.
change the
Okay, and why do you think so? Why do you think this job is dangerous? Why?
light because have only a one safe route to
Mm-hmm.
keep us in that in way. I don't know vocabulary that can
Mm-hmm.
describe that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very nice. And what is something that people can do if they are in danger? Okay, what activity, for example, there people can do if they are in danger? So what is something that people can do? Okay, if they are doing this job, what type of the activities they can do?
Mm, they can they can make them they can make themselves slower and choose the place that have a lot of trees, snow, or barn.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now let's take a look. Okay, so we have here this text. Okay, now we need to fill these blanks. Okay, can you write? Okay, so you have here these words. Can you write these words in this text? Okay, can you please do that for me? Can you write in a
Okay,
chat box? Can you write in a chat box, please?
okay. Right, with the
Yeah.
whole test.
Yes, yes, yes. It's not too long. Okay, or you can write first 5 sentences. Okay, write first 5 sentences in a chat box. Can you do that?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, can you please read?
Okay. Hmm. There is a woman in a spaceship. She's wearing the spacesuit and helmet. There are a lot of wires and buttons. I think she can see the Earth from the window.
Okay, very nice. Now, so this is okay. Now, can you please do the next sentences from 6 to 8?
Okay.
Okay, did you finish?
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, can you please read?
She's probably well pretty excited right now. Maybe the spaceship is going to the moon. It could be cameras It could be carrying cameras and robots to do research.
Okay, so what other things people can research? What is something else that people can research about?
Research about?
So what they can research? What is something special to research about?
They can research. They can research about minerals in the moon
Mm-hmm.
or something else.
Okay, very nice. And why do you think so? Why people can research about this? Why?
Because the minerals in the moon have minerals that can provide a lot of energy.
Provide a
But
lot of.
I don't remember that name.
Mhm. Okay, so this is something that they can provide. Okay, and what would you like to provide? What is something else, for example, that you would like to learn about? What would you like to learn about?
I like to learn. I like to learn about science, physics, chemistry,
Mm-hmm,
biology, biology,
mm-hmm.
English,
And why why
and
why
two.
do why do you want to learn about this? Why?
Because it's improved my knowledge and my health a lot.
Mm-hmm. Okay, have knowledge about this. Okay, and what other things? In what other way you can have a big knowledge about?
Other way,
So what is something that what else is really interesting for you to learn about?
I like to learn about IT too.
Okay, and why?
Cause maybe I can invent a new app
Mm-hmm,
or new new hardware. Oh
mm-hmm.
no, no, no.
Okay, and why do you want to do that? Why?
Because it can have the user easy to do something there.
Okay, so something that is easy for you to do it. Okay, very nice. Now let's take a look here. Okay, so we will continue. Now, can you please tell me? Now, in this picture right here, can you please tell me what can you see it? What is something that you can see here in this type of the picture? Can you please tell me what can you see it?
I can say the the USA flag um as an astronaut and a space shuttle in the moon. They are
Mhm,
on the moon.
And what do you think about these people who are going to the moon? So, what is your opinion about these people who are going to the moon? So, what do you
Maybe
think about?
maybe he's going to research the search or find the minerals that can provide a lot of energy.
Mhm. Okay, and what do you think about in the future? Can people live on the moon?
Okay, please.
Can people live on the moon in the future?
No,
Is it possible to live on the moon? So, what do you think? Is this possible?
I think it's possible if uh, no, no, I think it's not because in the moon it doesn't have any water, atmosphere, ozone, and and oxygen too.
Mhm. Okay, and in which planet, for example, people in the future can live on? Is there any planet that people can live on?
Live on.
Mhm.
Can't live on any we can't live on any planets in the solar system. We need to go to another planets to fire. provide a planet that have a suitable condition of life.
Like what? Which planet can be suitable for this activity? So what is the planet that can be?
Maybe it's scattered to B and TRAPPIST 1e, and
Okay,
may and have another planets, but I don't remember the name.
Okay, and why do you think so?
So, I think so.
So why do you think so? Why do we need all of these things that you mentioned?
Because in there they have OC and have an almost fair to to have a life with water.
Okay, now can you write sentences? Okay, about I can see, I think about this picture. Can you write sentences in the chat box about this? Can you try to do that?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, can you
Thanks.
please read?
Okay, I can say an astronaut and space shuttle. I think they go to explore something. They probably find some new minerals on the moon.
Okay, and it could be, what is something that it could be?
Could be. Hmm.
What is something that else they can do in space? If they are in space, what else can they do?
They can hmm, they can do anything.
Like what?
Uh, they can't do anything.
Like what?
Uh, mm, they can't go outside the space shuttle without the self evidence.
Mm, okay. Okay, very nice. Now let's see. Okay. Now, can you please tell me? Okay, we have here this text. Okay, can you please read this text?
Okay. There are two astronauts in a spaceship. They are wearing helmets and spacesuits. It looks crowded in the spaceship, but the windows are very large. I think they can see many stars outside the window. They are probably walking carefully right now. Maybe the spaceship is going to land soon.
Mm-hmm. Okay, it could be carrying. Okay, the last text. It could be carrying what?
They could be carrying the results of their research.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and what do you think? What other things? What other things they can carry if they go there? What is something else that they can carry up?
They can carrying the evidence of research.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and why they can carry these things? Why?
Because maybe almost the trip go to the space is only research.
Mm-hmm. Okay, only to research. Okay, now we have here, okay, the question number one. Can you please read the question number one and give me your answer?
Answer. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What are the astronauts wearing? They're wearing a space suits. How does it look in spaceship? Very it's look very it's look very large. What
Mm-hmm.
are astronauts doing right now? They are standing. Maybe they're standing
Mm-hmm.
on in the spaceship. Could the spaceship be carrying? It could be carrying the results of the research. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is something that they can carry. Okay, about their research. Okay, very nice. And would you consider, for example, if you can, would you consider to do this job? So what do you think about doing this job? Is it possible to do this job?
It will possible, but I want to do it because my bone is very weak, and if I go there, my bones weaker.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now let's take a look. Okay, now we have here, okay, this text. Okay, can you write this text in the chat box?
Hmm. Okay. Like the test before, right?
Yes, yes, write in the chat box about this text.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, can you please read?
There is an astronaut on the spaceship above the Earth. There is a big machine behind the astronaut. I think he's going to get the machine ready. He's probably pretty nervous right now. Maybe the spaceship is a satellite. It could be fixed to send television and the radio signals.
Okay, so we have here this question. Can you please read this question and give me your answer?
Yes, sir.
Can you please read this question and give me your answer?
Okay, what does Kelly think the astronaut is going to do? She thinks the astronaut is going to get the machine ready.
Okay. Okay, very nice. Now let's take a look, and we have here. She thinks to get machine ready. Okay, so why machines here are really important in your opinion? Why do you think so?
Okay. She thinks he's going to get the machine ready.
Okay. Okay, very nice. Now let's take a look. Okay, now we have here. Okay, this. So
Right.
what is something that what is something that for example astronaut need to do when goes to space?
Astronaut,
Mm-hmm.
something that something that astronaut
Mm-hmm. So what do they need to do when they go to space? What is something that astronauts need to do when they go to space?
they need they need to have the research of something.
Okay, now let's see. Okay, now can you say each sentence? Can you please read this text?
Okay. Hmm. Hang on. But didn't you say it's a black hole? There's a spaceship taking off. The
Mm-hmm.
three other planets are called Mercury, Venus, and Mars. There's a lot of water as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, very nice. Now let's see. And what do you know about black holes? Do you know something about black holes?
Black holes. It's half of work is very big and it's point.
What is your opinion about when we are speaking about black holes? So what do you think about black holes? What is your opinion about black holes?
I think it's very dangerous because it suck everything they go that they go that they go through.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, very nice. Now let's see. Okay, and we have here, would you like, for example, to learn more about these black holes? Would you like to do that?
Hmm. No, because I know a lot of black holes. Black
Mm-hmm.
hole is maybe planet, but it's half when very big. It suck everyone to death. And maybe black holes don't have a way to escape.
Mm-hmm. To escape. Okay, very nice. Okay, can I go to the toilet, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, let's continue. Now let's see. Okay, so we have here prepare a description of the scene. So can you please tell me in this part of the picture, can you please tell me what can you see it?
I can see the helicopter with the climbers on the snow hill.
Okay, and what do you think about this helicopter? What is your opinion about this helicopter?
I think it's a rescue helicopter.
And what is their job? What do they need to do? What is their job to do it?
They try to do. Their job is go to rescue some people that they have problems on the snow mountain.
On the snow mountain. Okay, and what other and what do you think about this job? Is this job dangerous, in your opinion? So can you please tell me what do you think about this job?
I think it's dangerous because when we rescue on the cold place, we will weaker than in the hot place.
Okay, very nice. Okay, so this is something that can be really dangerous for some people. Okay, and what jobs, for example, are not so dangerous in your opinion? What are some jobs that are not so dangerous?
That's dangerous.
So what job, for example, it's not dangerous in your opinion? So what do you think? What is the job that is not dangerous?
Uh, it's maybe all the job glad glad rescue astro astronauts and uh, and repair light on the hard place.
Okay, and why do you want to do that? Why?
You want to do that?
Cool. Why would you like to do this type of the specific job? Why?
Because maybe it's first thing and I can go to maybe a lot of place.
Okay, very nice. Okay, to visit a lot of places. Okay, and what are some places, for example, that in the future that you would like to visit? Are there any other places that, for example, you would like to visit?
Try to visit.
So what
I
other
like
places would you like to visit?
I like to visit the mountains and forests. And what
Mm-hmm.
nature
And why? Why these places?
because they are very beautiful and majestic.
Okay. And what other places can be also very beautiful and majestic for you to visit about? What?
Hmm. Again, please. Sorry.
What other places are beautiful and majestic for you to visit? What are some other places that can be really majestic and beautiful for you to visit?
It is the mountain and waterfall.
Waterfall. Okay. Why waterfalls?
Cause it's can maybe have a rainbow when the sun shine when sun shines to them.
Okay, very nice. Now, and how about countries? What countries are, for example, interesting for you to visit about? What are some countries that you would like to go to visit?
I would like to go to visit Russia
Russia. Why Russia?
because to I to uh, want to see the old tanks like T-34, T-54, KV-1, KV-2, and some other tanks.
Some
Maybe
other.
the objective.
Okay, so those are places that you want to visit. Okay, and can you please tell me what is interesting now in your city to visit? If I want to go to your city, what is something interesting to visit in your city? Can you please tell me what can be really interesting to visit in your city?
In my city, you can go to the pagodas. It's half 1,000 years. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
1,000 years. I'm never go to there, and I don't know what is in that. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
what's something
Okay.
in there?
Okay. If there is something to visit about. Okay. Now let's see. And where did you go on your last vacation? Can you please tell me where did you go?
Go.
Yes. Where did you go on your last vacation? When you go on your last vacation, where did you go?
I go to some province in the middle of the.
And what is interesting to see there?
It says today's Canada are the beach in Winter City. Uh, uh, the great
Mm-hmm.
and wait, spice, uh,
Mm-hmm.
wait. The spice center, and it is planned maybe almost everything that concerns physics and the space,
In a space.
and it's have and it's have Marine Institute too.
Mm-hmm.
Institute Marine Institute.
Okay, very nice. Okay, so we finished our class. Okay, that was really nice from you. Okay, now I have to go. Now I want to ask you about our class on Saturday. Can we have a class at 3 p.m., please?
3 p.m.
Yes. Is that okay?
3 p.m. Yes.
Yes.
It's it's a
Okay,
hour or
3 p.m. your time. See you at Saturday at 3 p.m. Okay.
okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.